Yo, how y'all boys doing today, man? It's your boy RJ, man. Come back to another banger. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna teach y'all how to make hood style, any kind of style, ramen noodles. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so hold on. Alright, so what we about to do is we gonna finish the rest of it, put the sauce in. Oh yeah, I'm about to show y'all what I put in it too. I cut up some broccoli, some vegetables in it, throw a little something in it, not the nasty kind, but something that's vegetable like everybody likes. So let's go to do that. Alright, so next, broccoli. Always rinse your plate out. We're gonna let it cook for 5 minutes. That's how long ramen noodles take, 5 or 6 minutes. Especially on hot temperature, should take a little bit lesser than that. But when it's done, it's done. Then we're gonna eat it. We're gonna eat it and enjoy it. I'm gonna try it out. Yeah, man. Now, see if you want more videos of this. You know what I'm saying? Cook the ramen noodles. I love me some noodles. Spam it up in the comment section, ramen noodles, man. When you be hungry, it slaps. You know what I'm saying? When you be full, but okay, I could use a little more, ramen noodle. That slaps,
Monkey.
So first sponsor of this video goes to COVID-19 for ruining the year and probably for the next 2 years. Who knows? 2021. We're gonna let it cook for 5 minutes. That's how long ramen noodles take, 5 or 6 minutes. Especially on hot temperature, should take a little bit lesser than that. But when it's done, it's done. Then we're gonna eat it. We're gonna eat it and enjoy it. I'm gonna try it out. Yeah, man. Now, see if you want more videos of this. You know what I'm saying? Cook the ramen noodles. I love me some noodles. Spam it up in the comment section, ramen noodles, man. When you be hungry, it slaps. You know what I'm saying? When you be full, but okay, I could use a little more, ramen noodle. That slaps, sure it's stringy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Got the sauce in there. You know, I like the juice with it too, so I can drink it afterwards. Yeah, that's the broccoli in it, the moisture, the flavor, and healthy, and it's still good. As usual, man, make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment if you haven't already, man.